What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted to make a really quick video. I know I said I was going to do a video on mission statements and vision statements next, but Black Friday is coming up this week. I totally forgot, and I thought I'd do a quick video to share some quick tips, super quick tips for Black Friday shopping, and hopefully it'll save you some money. Just before we get into that though, wanted to really quickly say thank you because we passed the 25 subscriber mark. The last couple of weeks we've had a little uptick in subscribers, so just wanted to say hello and shout out to the Ebates family, Mark, Jay, Josh at Just Frugal Me, Amazing Gamers, Jim Tran, and of course my dad. Thank you for getting me to 25. All right, now on to the tips. So first Black Friday tip is know what you can afford, so make a budget and stick to it. It's really easy to get shopping, see all the deals and try to spend more money. Make a list of what it is you're shopping for, do the planning ahead of time, and make sure you stick to it. Second tip is to research pre-Black Friday pricing just to make sure that the thing you're buying is actually on sale. Sometimes retailers will just say that it's a mega deal or a super extra discount on Black Friday, but really it's an item that goes on sale on a regular basis. I know this from personal experience. There's been a couple of Black Fridays where I've been doing renovations the last couple of years, and the things that go on sale seem to be the same things that always periodically go on sale for these home improvement stores, just as an example. So just make sure you do some research, check online, look at Amazon, just to make sure that the sale is actually a really good sale. Tip number 3 is to follow these retailers on social media and sign up for newsletters so that you're first to know about the deals when they come out. I know I've signed up for retailers like Best Buy or even a lot of clothing stores, and this just makes sure that you're in the know on the deals ahead of time. Make sure you understand the price matching policies of some of these retailers. Sometimes you can go in to a store and show a retailer a flyer from another store on the same product and they'll match the price, but sometimes they don't have that price match policy. Also see if they have a price matching guarantee that might cover you on Black Friday. Could you go in the day before Black Friday, avoid all the rush and get that item knowing that it's gonna go on sale on Black Friday and then just get a price match? Some places will not have customer service open on Black Friday, some might, but it's just a tip or something to look into. You may be able to avoid having to get up early that morning and just go in the night before and get the item that you want. Tip number 5 is to find an app that will apply coupons or find coupons for you for Black Friday. There's a lot of apps out there that do this right now. I'll try to find a good one and leave a link to it in the bottom, but there's been a few of these popping up, and some of them are dedicated to Black Friday, but just have a Google search and find an app that can search for the best deal on a certain item for you. It could save you a lot of time shopping around. And the 6th and last tip would be see if you can shop online or the night before Black Friday. If the store is offering the same deals on their websites, you can just stay up, add those items to your cart at midnight, and then again, save yourself having to get up early and stand in line for some of these deals. Some stores might even open late on American Thanksgiving and stay open till midnight and offer the same deals even the day before. So look into that. So there you go, guys. Those are 6 really quick tips. If you want me to do something similar or maybe more in depth about Christmas shopping, leave me a comment below. I have a few things that I do when I do Christmas shopping to help me save money. But anyways, thank you again, and thanks to everyone for the support on this channel. If I didn't mention you at the beginning of this video and you guys have been watching, please comment below. I don't always see everybody who subscribes to the channel. It just depends on your own personal settings. So say hi and we can talk. Next week, as promised, I will do the video on mission statements and vision statements, so make sure you hit that notification bell. Until then, have a great week, spread the wealth, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.